Welcome back, my dear friend, to another episode of Money Back Mindfulness. I'm your host, Mamoon. It's a pleasure to connect across time and space. If you're feeling fed up with life, if you're feeling like you're having a bad day, a stressful day, if you feel angry at somebody, perhaps even angry at yourself, feeling self-hatred, shame, guilt, feeling restless, lazy, tired, hungry, or perhaps even joyful, know that you're not alone and that millions, if not billions of people can relate. We're going to take some deep breaths and see if we can relax a little bit. Remembering that it's hard to feel love when you're not relaxed. It's difficult to feel joy when we're not relaxed. Difficult to feel free when we're stressed. That being said, getting comfortable, getting in a nice posture. You can lie down if you like or sit up. Getting into a posture where you can be aware. Becoming aware of your surroundings, aware of your space, noticing the sensation of touch. You can gently close the eyes, becoming aware of how you feel in this moment. Embracing any tension in the body by gently observing it, witnessing and welcoming anxieties, insecurity, negativity, embracing it all like old friends. Becoming aware of your posture in this moment, dropping the shoulders, relaxing the belly, taking a deep breath in, and a deep breath out, and a deep breath in. Deep breath out, breathing in new life, new energy, and exhale, relaxing, letting go, letting go of past. The past is past, it's done. Breathing in presence. And exhale, letting go of future. Every cell in your body breathing in. Exhale, letting go, releasing, softening the face, softening the belly, Opening the chest. Breathing in. Hold. And exhale, let go. Doing good, my friends. Stay with me. Breathing in with awareness. And exhale, letting go of pain. Dropping the shoulders. Breathing in, feeling the belly rise. And exhale, pushing the belly outwards. Relaxing your jaw, relaxing the lips, the forehead. Relaxing the mind, not minding anything going on inside you, witnessing it, welcoming it, embracing it. Coming back into self-love, letting go of the inner criticism, coming back into appreciation for the gifts that is already here. As you breathe in slowly and softly, and breathe out. Coming back into trust, trusting your mind to be as it is. As you breathe in, hold, tense your body, squeeze down on your fist, squeeze down on your jaw, tense everything as tense as you can. And exhale, let go. Relaxing the face, relaxing the hands, closing your eyes. Taking a deep breath in. Hold. And exhale. Relaxing your belly, feeling your heartbeat. If your mind has been wanting to think, now is the time to let your mind think. And taking a deep breath in. And a deep breath out. coming back into your body. Way to stay with it, my friend. So happy to have you here today. Sending you love, sending you encouragement on your path. Believe in your ability to overcome whatsoever it is that's been bothering you. You can do it. Taking a deep breath in. And a deep breath out. The color for today is indigo. The number is 11. And the animal is a giraffe. Becoming aware of your space, aware of your surroundings, aware of what you're gonna do next, aware of your awareness itself. Taking one more deep breath for now. And exhale. Thank you for joining me across time and space. I hope that this was a relaxing episode for you. I'm sending you a big hug. Remember to have love for yourself. Sometimes that can be hard when we're not relaxed, when we're stressed. It can be difficult to love. So if you're having difficulty with being loving with yourself, try first just to relax a bit, however you can. There's so many ways to relax. You have to get experimental. It might be meditation. It could be just painting or using your hands to paint something or going for a walk. So exploring more ways to relax your mind, to relax your emotions so that you can think more clearly and be actually more at ease with the challenges. And with that, I will see you back here tomorrow with love.